Ever wonder how set up by Buju featuring Seyi if sound if I made a beat? And in today's video, that's what I'll be showing you. So without wasting time, let's get into it. So the first thing I did was terminate out the vocal, and here is how the original vocal was sounding.
All I really care about is my peace, stacking my cheese. I'm not checking them up. Nothing will make me shine my teeth. Go be money. Most of my head that's no care what.
So after that, I laid out my chord. Very simple chord sounding like this. So the first sound I have on it is muffin. Then after that, I layered it with this sound from Purity. Also, I layered it with this sound from Citrus. So the chord with the vocal sounding like this.
All I really care about is my peace, stacking my cheese. I'm not checking them up. Nothing will make me shine my teeth. Go be money. Most of my head that's no care what.
So after that, I have this loop.
Nothing will make me shine my teeth. Go be money. Most of my head that's no care what. Shorty said, but you sound on my teeth. And I'm like, please. May I just come from someone? Shout out to my face. You didn't give me trees, won't you? No.
Then after that, I have this drum pattern. So the drum pattern with the shaker, the drum pattern with the loop, something like this.
Shorty said, but you sound on my teeth. And I'm like, please. May I just come from someone? Shout out to my face. You didn't give me trees, won't you? No.
So after that, I also added this sound. Okay, here is the bass. So this bass is from Full to the Extent.
On my teeth. And I'm like, please.
The next section of the song, I have this. So as you can see, we have three sounds here. So let's go.
Shout out to my face. You didn't give me trees, won't you? No. Love me one day. May I just come from someone? Shout out to my face. You didn't give me trees, won't you? No. Love me one day. So my graduate.
Okay, don't let me forget this vocal chop in the intro.
All I really care about is my peace, stacking my cheese. checking down. But you making me shine my teeth. Go with money. Most of my head that's not pay work. Shorty said, would you sign on my teeth? And I'm like, please. We I just come from summer. Shout out to my face. He didn't give me trees from jail.
So then move to the next section. So here we have the log drum. I love this part. I really love this part. I love this log drum so much. So I have everything repeating all over again till it comes to Seyi vibe. So moving to the next section, which is Seyi vibe verse, I added some extra elements, and the first thing I added here is this.
Monday to Sunday, my aura sexy, my boy melodies. We just did pop, it's a maximum wage. Time gonna be ways, money Maserati, money be too dumb. I get to look in the room.
So after that, Seyi vibe like some mysterious. Seyi vibe have this kind of mysterious vibe, just something unexpected, something you're not expecting, just keep coming, different thing coming in. So that's why I have to add all this to Seyi vibe verse. So the next thing I have is so together with everything sounding like this. So also here again, I think it's the same melody but different sound. So here is how Seyi vibe verse is sounding.
Monday to Sunday, my aura sexy, my boy melodies. We just did pop, it's a maximum wage. Time gonna be ways, money Maserati, money be too dumb. I get to look in the room, big Lamborghini. Come down, I'm happy, ability Pascality. Monday to Sunday, I know see it's good blue.
So I think there is something I have missed here. I've missed a lot. So we have this. Let me do this quickly. This tremolo signal from Buju. So we have this in the intro.
I really care about is my peace, stuck in my cheese. You're checking them up.
So we have this throughout this song, except for Seyi vibe verse. So also we have these flutes in the intro and the chorus. And this flute sound contains two different elements, which are pan flute from citrus and also another flute sound from analog lab. I want to open this because of the CPU, so that's why I want to be opening this. So in the intro, sounding like this. So, and lastly, this is the last thing I have on these beats, this sound. Same melody with what the flute is playing, but different sound. And that's it. That's probably everything. I already have this sound in the intro. It's not in the chorus or any other part of the song. So that's really everything I have going on these beats. And let me know if you will still listen to the song, if this is the original version. Let me know in the comment section, please. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So let's just listen and be happy.
And I'm like, please, may I just come from someone? Shout out to my face, it didn't give me trees on chill. Love me one day. Do my party one day, do my make it Sunday. I'm in the club on Sunday, cause Sunday, on Monday. Still chasing Monday. My boy, I'm a landing. You're a joke, we just did all. It's a maximum way.